morning, everyone. Welcome to online classes. Today, we are going to learn lesson 13 Light and Shadow. In this lesson, we will see sources of light, shadow, formation of shadow, and length of shadow. So, let's start this lesson. Dear students, just tell me, can we see in the dark? No, we cannot see in the dark. So, what do we need? We need light to see things. So, light helps us to see different things. And we can see things clearly in which type of light? Bright light. हम अंधेरे में कुछ भी देख नहीं सकते, इसलिए किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को देखने के लिए हमें लाइट की आवश्यकता पड़ती है. Sources of light. Let's see which are the sources of light. Sun is the main source of light. This light comes to us through sun rays. It makes the day bright. It means that we get light from the sun, and this light comes to us in the form of sun rays. सूरज से ही हमें रोशनी मिलती है और यह रोशनी हमें सूरज की किरणों से मिलती है. The light helps us to see things around us. The day ends with sunset and it is dark at night. It means that with the help of light we see many things around us. सूरज के ढलने के साथ ही दिन जो है समाप्त हो जाता है और फिर रातों को अंधेरा रहता है. In dark we get light from electric bulbs, lamps, tubes, torches, burning candles, lanterns, etc. So in dark we have other sources of light such as electric bulbs, tubes, torches, burning candles, etc. These sources of light helps us to see things at night. नाइट के समय हम किन सोर्सेस ऑफ लाइट का यूज करते हैं? बल्ब्स, ट्यूब्स, टॉर्चेस, कैंडल्स, एक्सेट्रा. These are the some other sources of light. Next topic is shadow. Now we will see what is shadow and how it is formed. Go out in the open and look around. You will see several objects such as plants, animals, poles, vehicles, etc. It means that when we go out, we see different types of objects around us. That includes living things and non-living things such as animals, plants, poles, vehicles, etc. In the picture, you can see many things. A cow is there, a stone, tree, house, and a boy. Also, you can see a dark form with these objects. What is that? That is the shadow of these objects. इस पिक्चर में देखिए, आपको एक डार्क कलर की फॉर्म दिखाई देगी. यह जो डार्क कलर की चीज है, इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? शैडो कहते हैं. Let's do an activity to see how a shadow is formed. चलिए इस एक्टिविटी से देखते हैं कि शैडो कैसे बनते हैं. ओके, सो स्टैंड विथ योर फेस टुवर्ड्स द सन. नाउ लुक एट योर बैक. व्हाट यू विल सी? यू विल सी ए डार्क फॉर्म ऑन द ग्राउंड. दिस इज जस्ट लाइक योर बॉडी इन शेप. आपको सूरज की रोशनी के सामने खड़ा होना है. इसके बाद आप पीछे की ओर देखिए, आपको डार्क कलर की कुछ दिखाई देगी जो आपके बॉडी के शेप के जैसे होगी. सो व्हाट इज दैट डार्क फॉर्म? इट इज योर शैडो. यह डार्क फॉर्म क्या है? आपकी परछाई है. ओके, नाउ जस्ट लुक all the objects around you. Each object has a shadow of its own. In the picture, you can see the shadow of a cow, the shadow of a stone, the tree, and the shadow of the house. So, we can say that a shadow is formed when an object comes in the way of light. इससे हम यह कह सकते हैं कि जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट लाइट के सामने आएगी तो उसकी परछाई बनेगी. Next topic is formation of a shadow. So let's see the things we need to form a shadow. First is object, second source of light, and third is surface. These are the three things we need to form a shadow. First is object, एक ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत पड़ेगी. सेकेंड सोर्स ऑफ लाइट, एक लाइट सोर्स. एंड थर्ड इज सरफेस, एक सरफेस जिसमें शेडो बनेगी. When we see the shadow of a tree in this picture, the object is the tree and the source of light is the sun and surface is the ground. We studied that we need three things to form a shadow. So object क्या है इसमें? Tree, source of light क्या होगी? Sun और surface क्या होगी? Ground. Then only the shadow of a tree will be formed. One more important thing is that the shadow of an object is formed always on the opposite side of the light source. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की शेडो जो है हमेशा लाइट सोर्स के ऑपोजिट साइड में ही बनेगी. एंड द शेप ऑफ द शेडो इट विल डिपेंड ऑन द शेप ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. और शेडो की शेप किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगी? ऑब्जेक्ट के शेप के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगी. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट शेडो इज ऑलवेज फॉर्म्ड ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ द light source. Our last topic is length of shadows. Now we will study the length of shadows at different times of the day. अब हम पढ़ेंगे shadows की length अलग अलग टाइम पे कैसे होगी. Shadows change in length and direction at different times of the day. Observe the shadows in the morning. They are fairly long, much longer than the objects. You will observe the change in length and direction of the shadows at different times of the day. So, when you observe the shadows in the morning, you will notice that they are fairly long. That means they are longer than the objects. Morning में जब आप किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की शेडो को नोटिस करोगे तो आप देखोगे कि वह ऑब्जेक्ट से हमेशा बड़ी रहती है. सो द साइज ऑफ द शेडोज आर लॉन्गर देन द साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स. एट व्हाट टाइम? इन द मॉर्निंग टाइम. एट नून द शेडोज आर शॉर्टर देन द ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ड्यूरिंग द नून टाइम यू विल नोटिस द शेडोज आर शॉर्टर देन द ऑब्जेक्ट्स. नून टाइम में शेडोज जो हैं छोटे रहते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट से. इन द इवनिंग दे आर अगेन लॉन्गर लाइक दोस इन द मॉर्निंग. अगेन इन द इवनिंग टाइम द शेडोज आर longer than the size of the object. In the picture you can see the shadow of a girl in the morning time. It is longer than the size of the girl, and in the noon time it is shorter. Again in the evening time it is longer than the size of the girl. So at what time of the day the shadows are longer? The shadows are longer in the morning and evening time. And at what time of the day they are shortest? The shadows are shortest at the noon time. So in this chapter we studied that sun is the main source of light and we need light to see the things. For the formation of shadow, we need three things. First is object, second source of light, and third is the surface. We also studied that the shadow of an object is formed always on the opposite side of the light source. At last, we saw the length of the shadows at different times of the day. The size of the shadows will be longer in the morning and evening time, and the size of the shadows will be shortest at the noon time. Okay, with this, our 13th chapter, Light and Shadow, is completed. So, read your textbooks regularly and do all your homeworks. Thank you.